Okay, so then what do I do when I come up to an edge that you can't do a connecting line, you ask? Well, that's when you just have your machine do a normal cut and you act like there's no connecting line that's supposed to be there to begin with. Because there isn't supposed to be one. So basically, I'm just going to butt it up right up here against the edge, and I want to make sure it goes over onto it just a hair, because I don't want any blank space there with my stitches. So nice solid, and we're good to go right there. I'm just going to pick it up from where it left off right here. Again, making sure it's a little bit crossed over because I don't want any gapping. And we're just going to continue in this retrospect to the end here. I might speed up this section, so you're just going to get to watch me here while I digitize this. Okay, so right here, what I'm gonna do is I want it to go right over the top of this. I know that's really kind of a strange thing in your brain right now, but the reason being is, again, I don't want any gapping, so I'm just gonna go right over the top of it and act like those lines are still there, just like this. And as you watch things stitch out, you'll actually see a lot of designs do something like that. There we go, see? That's starting to look pretty good there. Now I'm just going to do this outer circle. So I'm going to just do the outer circle and then we should be good. Okay, so that should be about what the design looks like. So we're going to go ahead and go into live view and see what is going on here. So something I did notice is that something is going on right here with the points. In order to fix that, we're going to go to edit points, click on the thing that we have an issue with, and see what we can do about maybe moving these points a little bit over to the side here. So normally on bigger designs, it doesn't leave that little bit of a gap, but that's why I like to look at things before I just go ahead and export them, because sometimes things don't react the way you expect them to, especially with stitches. In fact, if you watch close when I was moving stuff around there for a second, it actually made weird holes and stuff, because that's all kind of how the satin column works. Now those are nice and gone. Nice and sharp, everything looks pretty crisp. Let's go ahead and watch it play through. And we have a design. So that is kind of the basics of digitizing. Hopefully you were able to pick up a couple of things by watching me. I will do more in detail videos on how to do things here in the future. But for right now, there's a Celtic knot, and that's a few of the basic ways that you can digitize something.